You know, they say that good fences make good neighbors. And if you've got a project that includes being neighborly and digging quite a few holes, well, the one tool that you do not want to use is this. It's a post hole digger. Oh, it'll get the job done, but plan on spending the better part of a day, if not longer, using it. Some very sore muscles, and if you're not accustomed to this type of work, some blisters. Nope. Right here, this is the right tool for this job. It's called an auger, which is really just a fancy name for a gas-powered hole digger. Now, to be honest with you, you're not going to use this very much, so don't buy one. This is one you want to rent. For a one-man auger like this, about $65 a day. Here's a better idea. Get someone to help you. For a two-man auger, about $75 a day. You can see it does come with different size bits. Starts about 6 inches diameter and up. Really depends on the hole you have to dig. Now, is it worth it? Well, consider this. It's about as easy to operate as a lawnmower. Just a pull of a cord and you are the king or queen of digging holes. As far as the time you'll save, well, think about this. For every 8 hours you're going to spend on that post hole digger, this will cut it down to about 1 hour.